the President had made mention that he will prohibit political involvement. We have that portion of the President's speech. Let's listen.
We will strictly implement the provision on the prohibition of political involvement in the distribution of cash and other forms of financial assistance. Politicians shall be barred from the distribution of any financial aid, and we shall ensure that the support reaches the intended beneficiaries without patronage. Walang bawas, walang kulang.
That, Congressman?
That's a decision eh. Kailangan natin respetuhin. No? But at least tignan mo, because of that, yung mga guarantee letters nahinto, di ba? So I have constituents directly texting me na kung naka-hospital ako dito, yung isa Manila Doctors, yung isa De Los Santos Medical Center, nag-text sa akin, kailangan ng guarantee letter. So ang sabi ko, pasensya na po, iniintay po lang natin yung bagong guidelines ng
DOH?
Ng DOH, yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Or even DSWD?
No, DOH yun eh, guarantee letter.
Yeah.
And in fact, I've texted Sec. Erbosa, Sec. Ted. I told him my personal, and I'm sure hindi lang ako nag-iisa dito, na nag-text yung mga constituents na paano yun. Kailangan lang ng guarantee letter.
So
pero kailangan natin sumunod eh.
para po sa inyo, kailangan po talaga ng mga guarantee letters?
Kailangan talaga ng guarantee letters, no? Pero kung makakahanap sila ng sistema na hindi dadaan sa amin, wala namang problema eh. Ang gusto lang namin is matulungan yung constituents namin. Kasi kanino sila lalapit, di ba? Sa amin sila lalapit eh.
So what happens now? Paano ngayon kung sinasabi nga, from our understanding, ipagbabawal itong mga guarantee letters? Maiksi lang po kasi yung naging explanation ni Pangulo hinggil dito. We don't know for sure, although it seems like guarantee letters will be gone. It's the end of guarantee letters. At least that's what it appears, no? Pag lumapit po ang inyong mga constituents at humingi ng tulong, ano pong inyong magiging tugon ngayon?
Hindi, yun, una sabi ko, pasensya na, wala pang clear policy tungkol sa guarantee letter. Siyempre, ang mangyayari nun, financial assistance muna namin, labas sa bulsa, di ba? But of course, we cannot cover for the amounts that we give doon sa guarantee letter. Eh. Kasi yung guarantee letter talagang malalaki yan. Eh. Hundreds of thousands, di ba? Isipin mo, ilang constituents namin ng lalapit. So, ang nangyayari nun, pag ganon, hingi muna kami ng pasensya na, bigay muna kami ng financial assistance habang nag-iintay kayo.
Isa sabihin nyo galing to sa personal kung...
No, we just say, pasensya na po, tulong na kami financially muna. Ganon naman lagi eh. Lahat naman ng serbisyo, pag hindi nasasagutan ng gobyerno, di ba, ganon naman kami. Kahit papano. Basta makatulong na.